Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tec Burti. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of drones and explore the incredible experiences they bring. Drones have come a long way since their inception. They are no longer just remote-controlled toys, they are powerful tools that have revolutionized various industries. One of the most exciting aspects of drones is their ability to provide us with unique experiences. First, let's talk about aerial photography and videography. Drones have opened up a whole new world of creativity for photographers and filmmakers. With drones, you can capture breathtaking aerial shots that were once impossible or prohibitively expensive. Whether it's capturing a stunning sunset over a landscape or filming an action-packed scene, drones offer a unique perspective that adds a cinematic quality to your content. But drones aren't just for professionals. They are also fantastic for recreational use. Imagine soaring above picturesque landscapes, capturing memories of your adventures from a bird's-eye view. Drones provide an experience of exploration and discovery, allowing you to see the world in a whole new way. Moreover, drones have made a significant impact in industries like agriculture and environmental conservation. Farmers use drones to monitor their crops, identify problem areas, and optimize their farming practices. Conservationists use drones to track wildlife, monitor deforestation, and protect endangered species. These experiences, driven by drone technology, contribute to more sustainable and efficient practices. Now, let's talk about the thrill of drone racing. It's an adrenaline-pumping experience that combines technology, skill, and speed. Pilots navigate their drones through challenging courses, pushing the limits of what these machines can do. The excitement of racing drones is contagious, and it's an experience that has gained a devoted following. In conclusion, the world of drones offers a wide range of incredible experiences. From capturing breathtaking aerial footage to contributing to vital industries and enjoying the thrill of racing, drones have truly transformed how we interact with our world. So, whether you're a professional filmmaker, an adventure enthusiast, or someone curious about emerging technology, drones have something to offer everyone. Thank you for joining us today on Tec Burti, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time, happy flying! Stay with us to know about such valuable technical videos, subscribe our channel and share this among your friends.